Today I'm going to show you how to plan a beautiful Instagram feed like the one that you see right here, and we're going to do everything with Canva. Go to canva.com and create an Instagram post. On the editor, go to Templates, choose 9 to 12 different templates, customize them quickly with styles. You can change the fonts and colors with just a couple of clicks. Once you have all your designs ready, click the download button, choose PNG format and download. Return to Canva's homepage and click on Presentation. On the editor, go to Elements, scroll down to Grids and click See All. Select a 3x3 grid, upload the designs you previously downloaded and add them to the grid. Change the color of the background, search for a font photo and adjust the size of the photo. Upload a screenshot of your Instagram profile, crop and resize the screenshot, finally position the grid on top of the font photo, adjust the size, and that's it. The full version of this tutorial is on our YouTube channel.